The COVID surge here and around the state continues to rage on. Florida today set another record for the 5th straight day when the number of hospitalized patients jumped by 348 to 12,864. Less than 2 months ago, the state had around 1,000 COVID patients in hospitals. At 5 o'clock, News4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott showed us what's going on in Jacksonville's emergency rooms. Now, a look at what the pandemic is doing to first responders, how it is keeping some of them off the streets. Jim is joining us live. Jim?
You know, Tom, when first responders like here at this fire station in San Marco go out to a call, they really don't know what they're getting into. Sometimes there is a COVID alert and they're aware of that, but for a good many parts of the time, it's not. Now, I've been following what's been happening with first responders and with police when they go out, and the number of those that are now in quarantine. Jacksonville Fire and Rescue staff continue to have the highest number of people temporarily off the job because of COVID. Right now, there are 50 members of JFRD who are positive with the coronavirus. No word on how many have been hospitalized. Besides those with the virus, there's an additional 101 staff members who are now being quarantined as a precaution. At the sheriff's office, we're told that 91 staff members are being quarantined as a result of the virus. JSO did not say how many of them are positive, and this includes all staff, not just patrol. In JSO correction facilities, as of this afternoon, there are 98 inmates who have tested positive for COVID-19. At City Hall, we're told that there are 17 city employees out with COVID. And you know, that number of city employees, that's actually down from the previous week. And I've been checking in with other agencies like JEA just to see what's happening with employees there. So far, we've not heard back from them. But when we do get those numbers, we will pass them on. For now, we're live in San Marco. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.